Switching between a presentation and a separate media player in the middle of a meeting is a guaranteed way to ruin your flow. Embedding your video and audio directly into your slides is the exact upgrade your presentations need to look polished and professional. Today, I'm walking you through exactly how to insert and trim your media files right inside WPS Presentation without needing any outside editing software. Before we get into the steps, I've linked the official free download for WPS Office Pro right at the top of the description below. Grab that now so we can go through this together. First things first, open up your slideshow in WPS Presentation and navigate to the slide where your media belongs. Head up to the top menu ribbon and click on the Insert tab. On the right-hand side, you'll find the icons for video and audio. Click the one you need and select the Local File option to grab the video or track straight from your computer. Once you choose your file, it drops right onto your slide. For videos, you can grab the corners to scale them down and drag them into place next to your text. Now for the best part, trimming out the fluff. If your clip has a long intro or dead space at the end, you don't have to re-edit the file in another program. Just click directly on the video or audio file on your slide. This action reveals a new Video Tools or Audio Tools tab at the top of your screen. Click that, and then hit the Trim button. A timeline window will pop up. All you need to do is drag the green slider to where you want the clip to start, and pull the red slider to where it needs to end. Hit the play button to preview your new shortened clip. Once it's exactly what you want, click OK. The trimmed version is now saved directly to your slide. You can even use that same menu at the top to set the media to play automatically as soon as you reach that slide, keeping your presentation completely hands-free. And that's the easiest way to build a multimedia slideshow that actually keeps people's attention. If this walkthrough saved you some time, dropping a like on the video goes a long way in supporting the channel. And remember, the direct link to download WPS Office Pro for free is sitting right down in the description. Go ahead and grab it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.